course here's a script for you based on your instructions, Welcome to FK iPhone, your one-stop place for everything smartphones but with a twist. Today we are diving into the brand new 2025 Samsung Galaxy F41, a phone that is turning heads for all the right reasons. If you are thinking about upgrading or just curious about what Samsung has packed into this model, stick around because we are about to break it all down. Starting with the design, the Galaxy F41 is sleek, stylish, and refreshingly modern. Samsung has clearly taken time to polish the exterior. It features a slim profile with beautifully curved edges that make it super comfortable to hold. The back panel comes with a matte finish that resists fingerprints and smudges, giving it a clean and premium look all day long. You get a choice of bold and vibrant colors that stand out without being too flashy. On the front, the display is almost bezel-less, giving you a full-screen experience that feels immersive whether you are gaming, binge-watching, or just scrolling. Speaking of the display, Samsung has once again delivered a stunning visual experience. The Galaxy F41 comes with a large AMOLED screen that makes colors pop and blacks look deep and rich. The refresh rate is smooth, making every swipe, scroll, and tap feel effortless. Whether you are outdoors under the sun or in a dark room, the brightness levels adapt perfectly to your surroundings. Watching videos or playing games on this device feels like a real treat. Under the hood, the Galaxy F41 is no slouch either. Samsung has fitted it with a powerful chipset that can easily handle multitasking, gaming, and heavy apps without breaking a sweat. Opening apps is snappy, switching between tasks is fluid, and even graphic-heavy games run smoothly. Plus, with generous RAM and storage options, you will not have to worry about running out of space or your phone slowing down anytime soon. The battery life is another huge plus on the Galaxy F41. Samsung has packed in a big battery that can easily last a full day of heavy use. Whether you are streaming videos, taking photos, or just browsing the web, you can rely on the F41 to keep up with you. And when it is time to recharge, fast charging support ensures you are back to full power in no time. Now let us talk cameras because Samsung knows that in 2025, the camera is a major selling point. The Galaxy F41 features a triple lens setup on the back, and it is seriously impressive. The main sensor captures detailed and vibrant shots even in tricky lighting. There is a wide-angle lens perfect for landscapes and group shots and a macro lens for those close-up details. On the front, the selfie camera is sharp and packed with features to make sure you always get that perfect shot. Whether it is day or night, indoors or outdoors, the F41's camera setup is reliable and fun to use. Software-wise, Samsung's latest One UI feels clean and easy to navigate. There are tons of customization options so you can make the phone truly yours. Plus, Samsung has promised regular software updates which means your F41 will stay fresh and secure for years to come. Extras like face unlock, in-display fingerprint sensor, and stereo speakers add to the overall premium experience. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy F41 is a strong contender for one of the best mid-range smartphones of 2025. It nails the basics with its gorgeous display, powerful performance, excellent cameras, and long-lasting battery. But it also goes the extra mile with its refined design and thoughtful features that make everyday use enjoyable. If you are in the market for a new phone that looks good, feels good, and performs like a champ without breaking the bank, the Galaxy F41 should definitely be on your radar. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let us know in the comments what you think about the Galaxy F41 and if you would like to see a full comparison video with other phones. See you in the next one. Would you also like a shorter version just in case you need it for a second upload or a YouTube Shorts idea?